Our client is an electronics importer. They have two product lines. One product line is made in Malaysia and has a manufacturing cost of $1.10 per unit. Their other manufacturing site is in Mexico, coming in through Laredo, and their manufacturing costs are $1.50 per unit. Both incur a container charge, one getting to the port of Long Beach and then also getting to Laredo, and then further on to these warehouses at which they're distributed to major wholesalers. Our client would actually like to consider what is the implications of having an option to make the first product line in Mexico. So what we do is we go to Mexico and we return on product A, so now we can make both product A and product B. And what we see is that we save about $1.17 million, and we're still getting a little bit, 300,000 units from Malaysia. So there is a trade-off at which the West Coast is better serviced out of Malaysia. We can further explore what happens if we actually don't make anything. Let's just go ahead and disable that node. And the savings is cut down to $800,000. We can look at the trade-off. Here we actually had an ocean freight spend of $300,000 and a manufacturing of $4.2 million. In our new scenario, we obviously cut the ocean freight and our manufacturing goes up to $4.5 million. Where we really saved was that FTL transportation. Goes from $5.3 million to $4.1 million. And we can see that we benefited from having a more central distribution location. I'm going to call this scenario Mexico only. They would further like to explore what happens if they expand their distribution. So let's actually make one more scenario. And let's say we add a distribution point in Allentown, PA. And we really didn't save that much. And we could move it around and see if we couldn't find a better location, but it never really utilizes it. So we'll call this scenario add one DC. So what we found out is that there's actually very little benefit to adding another distribution center. So now we have three scenarios. One where we significantly cut down the service time and the cost, and the other where we explored a what if that really wasn't of that much value.